In today's video, we are going to show you how to change your profile image on Asana. So whether you want to update your picture so that your team members can recognize you, maybe add branding, or make your workspace more personal, this guide has you covered. Let's begin. So the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and click the Open in Browser. This will forward you to your dashboard. Now, from here, I want you to hover to the bottom left corner where you can see your profile icon right here, because as you can see, I am using our logo. But if you wanted to change your profile picture, okay, or your profile image, click the Edit Profile. This will forward you to this. You see that you have the ability to upload new photo, or if you want to remove a photo, it's up to you. Okay, so we're gonna remove that. And we're going to upload a new one by clicking this circular button, because this will forward you to your computer, which you need to select your new image. Now, I am going to be using my profile image. And once you've done that, as you can see, it's very easy. Now, once your image uploads, adjust the crop if you need it, and then hit the save button. Your new profile will instantly update across all your Asana workspace. And basically that's it for today's video. Changing your profile image in Asana is super quick and easy. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.